WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world. It isn't called the big daddy of CMS for nothing. Out of the top 10,000 websites in the world, 40% are powered by WordPress. If you are looking to build a news website, you've come to the right spot. Hello, I'm Aditya Shinoy and I've spent close to 10 years in the digital publishing industry in India. The first 3 years were using WordPress, and I was honestly impressed with the ability of the CMS to mold into any type of website you want to create. In this video, I will help you create your own news website based on WordPress. One of the first things you need to get started would be the domain name. Finalize your domain name and select a web hosting partner for your website. If you don't plan to host it by yourself, you can opt for a hosting plan from Bluehost, HostZinger, DreamHost, and several others. If you need help in deciding hosting platforms, do drop a comment and I'll make a separate video to help you decide. The domain name is the address where your website can be accessed, while the hosting partner will store all the website files for the website to function. You will need to install WordPress on the server. There are two ways to go about this. If you have a dedicated team, this can be managed by them. Alternatively, you can opt for Managed WordPress. In such a setup, the managed hosting partner will take care of the hosting, WordPress updates, daily backups, freeing you to look at news reporting and content creation. Most news websites and blogs start like this and only build an internal tech team when they reach a sizable traffic. WordPress allows you to customize the appearance of your website. Now, this does not mean that you have to start from scratch putting a theme together. There are multiple themes that are already available for you to choose from. However, you will need to select a theme that suits your website niche. If you are looking to cover different categories, you will need to take them into consideration while finalizing a theme. For example, a newspaper theme that's very common for news websites won't suit the entertainment section. WordPress has a lot of theme options to choose from. You can also build a custom theme from scratch by engaging an external agency that specializes in this. While zeroing on a theme, ensure that the theme you've selected is cohesive with the media formats that you use. The theme should also be mobile friendly and should not be very heavy, which could slow down your website load time. When looking for a theme, keep these 3 parameters in mind. First one, design. Does the design suit your content and niche? The second is features. Does the theme support the features you need? For example, a slider containing your featured articles, category pages. You'll also need to test if the theme works with other plugins that you intend to add for added functionality. The third bit is performance. The theme needs to be well coded and optimized for performance on the desktop as well as mobile. Some of the marketplaces for themes you can refer are ThemeForest, ThemeIsle, Elegant Themes, and a lot more. Take a look. Certain publishers want to recreate a newspaper look and opt for a newspaper theme. We would recommend you to use a theme that highlights photos and video content on the homepage and on the articles to make it visually appealing to first-time and repeat visitors. WordPress does not come with a lot of features out of the box, only the basics. However, the biggest advantage is that it can be tweaked very easily. This CMS allows you to alter its looks and functionalities using plugins. The type of plugins you use will heavily depend on the type of publication you're building, your audience, and the beat you are covering. For a news website, here are some of the plugins that I would recommend you to add for improved functionality. The first one would be a news ticker on the top of your website. Now, this is ideal for general news, sports, and financial news as well. A ticker will have the latest news scrolling across to keep your readers informed. T4B news ticker is one of my recommendations. It has different animation effects and the ability to display ticker for specific categories and tags. Post Ticker Ultimate would be my second pick. It offers a Gutenberg block and shortcode that allows the ticker to be embedded anywhere on your website. New scrolling widget on the homepage is another good addition and can be an alternative to the moving ticker. Now, this widget gets auto-updated with the news articles you publish. You can also have one widget per section you cover. For example, a trending widget for the entertainment section or a latest widget for the sports section. Or you can have a single widget that shows all the latest articles across multiple beats. WP News and Scrolling Widgets would be my first pick since it allows customizations to display news headlines, thumbnails, excerpts, and more. Vertical News Scroller would be my second pick here. Photo gallery plugins are a must since news is media heavy and will require you to embed a lot of photos in your articles. You will need a photo gallery to execute this. A plugin like this can allow to create photo carousels and add multiple photos in your posts with relative ease. Visual elements in news stories help significantly in improving user engagement. Envira Photo plugin would be my pick here. It has multiple carousel options, has fast loading speeds, and the interface is easy to use. NextGEN Gallery is another alternative that you can opt for to create sophisticated photo galleries. Social share plugins are handy for your readers to share your content further with their friends and followers on social media. Some of these plugins also come with a share counter which encourages users to share more, while others will show your social feed right on your website. Smash Ballon social feed is a popular plugin for social media on WordPress. Push notifications are a sure way of engaging your readers and converting flyby readers into followers. It can also serve as the best medium to bring audiences back to your website to read your latest content. Izuto is a popular push notification provider focused primarily on publishers. Apart from push notifications, it also offers audience retention tools. SEO plugins. Now, an SEO plugin will help you optimize your website and its content for Google search, which will in turn help you bring organic traffic. Yoast SEO is a popular choice for WordPress users. It offers a wide range of features and customization options. You can optimize your website for search engines, including title tags, meta descriptions, and keyword research. Yoast SEO also offers a number of advanced features such as XML sitemaps, social media integrations, and readability analysis. All-in-one SEO pack is another popular SEO plugin with roughly the same set of features, but it is known for its ease of use and affordability. Add additional pages to your website to categorize your news and make it easy for people to navigate from one page to another. The home page is the main page that focuses on ensuring that it is appealing for visitors and can effectively navigate them to the type of news they're looking for. Ideally, create a page for each section you cover on the website. For example, you can have separate pages for the sports section, politics, entertainment, business, and so on. This allows you to display news in the relevant section, making it easier for your audience to find related news. An About Us page will give the reader information about your publication, the editors, and the journalists filing the stories. This is a good way to build authority and improve your EEAT signal. Adding contact information on the contact page helps build trust and is helpful to public relation professionals and agencies to reach out to your publication. Once you have your theme and plugins figured out, you can proceed with publishing your content. We will recommend you to populate your WordPress with multiple articles and test out the output on the website before taking it live. It would be a good idea to have multiple articles live in each section that you plan to include on your website. This ensures that content is available for people to read while browsing your website. If you are looking to create a website with multiple languages that caters to different audiences, test it out thoroughly to ensure that your website can deliver the same experience across different languages. Looks ready to go? Well, there's one more thing left to do. You need to add code for Google Analytics to ensure that you can track page visits, engagement, user events, and more. This can be done using a plugin or by adding the necessary code. You will also need to set up Google Search Console by verifying your domain. This will help you with indexing, website performance on Google Search, clicks, impressions data, core web vitals, and more. That's it. Looks like you are all set to push articles on your news website and serve your target audience. Did I miss out on anything crucial? Drop it down in the comments and help me and your publisher community.